tried ChatGPT, thought, "This is amazing," then got confused or frustrated a few questions later. You're not alone. Most beginners hit that wall. It's not your fault, and it's not the AI. The real problem? Nobody taught you how to talk to it properly, so it can't truly become your helper. In this video, I'll give you a simple formula to make ChatGPT give you clear, helpful answers even on follow-up questions. Why prompts matter. ChatGPT is like a really smart helper, but it can't guess what you mean. If you ask something too general or unclear, the answer will be general and unclear too. And when you get those answers, it can feel like a waste of time, even a little frustrating. But here's the secret. Guiding it just enough means less mental effort for you and more useful results. Here's the formula I use, and it works in almost every situation. This simple formula isn't just about getting better AI answers. It's about turning ChatGPT into that calm, intelligent helper that truly understands you. Now that you understand the powerful simplicity of this formula, let's see exactly how it works in action. Our AI compassionate friend delivers instantly. It gives us 5 simple, quick self-care activities, like step outside for 5 minutes and do a brain dump. Notice how it offers practical steps to find calm, truly acting as that supportive helper when you're feeling overwhelmed. Use case examples, asking ChatGPT to rewrite this draft email to a coworker. So I type act as a calm and empathetic communicator. Rewrite this draft email to a coworker about a shared task, ensuring the tone is supportive and avoids misunderstandings, especially because I'm feeling a bit stressed about the project. See how ChatGPT transformed that into a professional, supportive email. It starts with a friendly, "Hope you're doing well," then gently checks on the report. Notice how it acknowledges the tight timeline, but immediately offers help or more time. Let me know if there's anything I can help with, or if you need more time, I totally understand. This calm, empathetic tone avoids misunderstandings and truly helps ease project stress for everyone involved. Here's ChatGPT stepping into the role of a supportive academic reviewer. It starts by validating our effort, well done, for putting your analysis out there, a crucial boost for self-doubt. It then gives us clear, actionable feedback, breaking down what you did well, and offering supportive yet critical feedback on areas like adding specifics, clarifying time frame, and being more precise. Finally, it even provides an improved version for confidence in presentation. This feedback isn't just about making the analysis better. It's about empowering you to present it with newfound assurance. Now, let's look at how ChatGPT can simplify complex topics and reduce learning overwhelm. I type act as a patient and encouraging teacher. Explain blockchain to a 12-year-old, simplifying complex terms so I can grasp the basics without feeling overwhelmed or confused. And here's ChatGPT truly shining as our patient and encouraging teacher. Look at how it breaks down blockchain using relatable analogies, like a giant notebook copied and shared with lots of people. It simplifies complex terms like blocks and chains into easy-to-understand concepts. This response completely avoids jargon and ensures the user, even a 12-year-old, can grasp the basics without feeling overwhelmed or confused. Finally, let's explore how ChatGPT can become your personal, mindful productivity coach, specifically helping you plan your study week around a full-time job while prioritizing rest to prevent burnout. See how these prompts give more targeted, useful results and even help manage your mental load. Why beginners struggle? Most people start strong, then fall apart with follow-ups. Suddenly, ChatGPT forgets the topic or goes off track, which can be incredibly frustrating and drain your mental energy. But this formula keeps things focused and helps the AI stay in character, making your interactions smoother and much less stressful. If you want to make the prompts even better, Try adding these. So when we type, act as a teacher, explain gravity with humor, and quiz me at the end, notice how effortlessly ChatGPT transforms a potentially daunting topic into an engaging lesson. Our AI teacher welcomes us, then uses delightful analogies like Earth being a clingy best friend and a chubby ballerina to explain gravity, making it incredibly simple and fun. And then it seamlessly transitions into a quick, no-pressure quiz, turning what could be stressful learning into pure enjoyment. This is truly how you make AI interactive, engaging, and turn any learning experience into a joy rather than a chore. So the next time ChatGPT gives you a robotic answer, don't just accept it. Use this simple formula. You will get smarter, clearer, and more useful responses every time. And you will also feel more in control and less frustrated, truly turning ChatGPT into reliable assistant. If this helped, give it a like. It tells YouTube I'm doing something right. Got a prompt idea or problem? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. And to help you apply this instantly and transform your AI interactions, I've put all the exact ChatGPT prompts I used in this video, along with a free printable cheat sheet of the entire formula in a Google Doc link in the description below. Just copy, paste, and start creating. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how to truly fix ChatGPT's confusing follow-up answers so you can keep your AI helper consistently effective and maintain your peace of mind.